Hi guys. I don't know what it's like in your country, but here in Jamaica, there's currently a shortage of hand sanitizers. Who'd have thought, right? Well, a good hand sanitizer should ideally destroy all bacteria and viruses from the hand while imparting moisture. In today's video, we will be carrying you through step by step how to make your own hand sanitizer at home with homemade aloe vera gel and essential oils. Stay tuned. Today we'll be using aloe vera leaves, and if you don't have aloe vera leaves, you can use the aloe vera gel from the store. That's totally fine. But we have aloe vera leaves, so we'll just use that. We'll be using peppermint oil, 70% rubbing alcohol, and we'll also be using our blender. Have a container to store our hand sanitizer in. We're using 2 measuring cups, one that can measure 1/4 cup or 60 mils, and we'll be using 2 cups or 500 mils for this particular cup. Knife, cutting board. Let's go. So first we are going to prepare our aloe vera gel, and I'm just going to cut up my leaves in smaller, manageable sizes. And removing the sides just to make it more manageable and to reduce the chance of it sticking me while I'm working with it. I'm going to remove the inside. I want to get as much of the gel as possible. So now that I've extracted the aloe vera, I'll be blending it in the blender just to extract more of the juice or the gel. Here we go. Now that we're finished blending, we'll be straining our aloe vera. Very thick, all natural aloe vera, no water added. Okay, let's go. Now that we've made our aloe vera gel, we will be using 60 mils or 1/4 cup of our aloe vera gel in combination with 2 cups or 500 mils of our 70% rubbing alcohol and an essential oil. In our case, we're using peppermint, and of course you can change it and use it whichever one is available to you or that you like. Let's go. So I don't know about you guys, but I've seen videos that call for a 2-to-1 ratio. That is 2 cups of alcohol to 1 cup of aloe vera. That is only, however, used when using 99% alcohol. And I don't know about where you are, but where I am, 99% alcohol is just not readily available. So what I'll be giving you is a guide into making 62% alcohol based hand sanitizer from 70% alcohol. Now to combine, we'll be adding our 60 ml of aloe vera gel, quarter cup, so our 2 cups or 500 ml of 70% rubbing alcohol, and adding our essential oil, in this case peppermint. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's a few drops. Combine with a spoon. You can package your own hand sanitizer in small bottles and carry it with you when leaving home. If you liked today's video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Press the notification bell so you'll be updated every time we drop a video, and please remember to give us a like.